Hello everyone. So in this session, we'll be discussing related to increment as well as the decrement instruction in TIA portal. So basically these are used in order to increment or decrement the value stored at any memory double word or memory word by 1. Okay, so how to use this instruction, let us observe. Okay, so in this instruction we'll be requiring one edge triggering. Okay, so positive edge triggering will be required here. Okay, so let us see how to use this instruction. Okay, here what we'll do is, as I already told you, we require a positive edge triggering. So let me make some text first. So it will be input first. Okay, and then we'll be having an increment function. Okay, so we'll be having one memory double word to store that value. So let us take it as result. Okay, and the address here will be doing it as double word, and this will be MD0, right? Now what we'll do is I'll minimize this one and I'll take one. See here, if you are able to observe, we are having this positive edge triggering here. So you can take it here, and then we'll be having the increment function from here. Okay, now what we'll do is basically we already know that this function, how this function works, right? So we know that it requires only a positive edge in order to get active, right? So here this is our increment function. If you are using a normal input here, so basically what happens is this increment function require very less time in order to turn on the in order to change the input, in order to change the result here. Basically input as well as output will be changed at the same address itself. Okay, so in this function, this is the specialty that the input and output will be affected at the same time. That's why only we are having this as input as well as output. Okay, so here what we'll do is I'll give input as I0.0. Okay, and here it will be requiring one more tag. So already we have taken memory double word M0 MD0, right? So we'll be using some more, we can use M8 dot or M4 dot something we can take. Okay, so M4.1 I am taking here. Okay, now this is a new tag. So here we'll be using memory double word MD0 here. Okay, or basically we can change the data type also. Okay, now what will happen when you are giving this input pulse? Okay, so the value here will be incremented by 1. So let me download it and check what is going to happen. Okay, I am downloading it. After downloading, let us go to the online mode. After going to online mode, I will start the monitoring. Okay, so initially this value is at 7. So let me take all the tags required. We'll be deleting all the unwanted tags. So let me delete all these tags, and we'll be taking all the tags again. So basically what is required is our input pulse is required. So basically input is required. Okay, and memory double word, that we can see here itself, right? So here what we'll do is I'll just start triggering this one. Okay, so I am setting the initial value here as 0. Okay, I will make it as 0 here, so that it is easy to observe. Okay, now what we'll do is I'll increase the value by Now see, if you are able to observe, initially it is in the low state. Now as we give the value, okay, so here it requires very less amount of time in milliseconds it requires, and the output will be incremented, or this output will be incremented, the result will be incremented by 1. Okay, so as we give the number of input pulses, the value is incrementing 1 by 1. Now let us observe, if you are not using this in triggering pulse here, and instead we are using this NO here. Okay, if you are using this NO, then the value will increment very fast. So let us observe it. Let me go in the online mode first, download, and then go in the online mode. Okay, so basically initially it is in the 3, its value is 3, so let me make it 0. So if you are able to observe, it will be going very fast. Okay, when you are, now I am triggering it. So here, if you are able to observe, this is moving very fast, so the values are getting added very fastly. Okay, so this is why this instruction only require a single trigger, and single trigger will only work for this instruction. Okay, so this is the speciality of this function. Okay, now I'll change this function to decrement, right, and I'll again change this to positive edge triggering, and we'll be using memory double m4.0 here. Okay, and downloading it again. Okay, after downloading, let us monitor the same. Okay, so going to online mode first. Okay, now going to online mode and monitoring the logic, and let us make it to 0 again, and let me change this to this and this as 0, right, or we can take some value, so that for example I am taking it as 5, right. So initially the value is 5. Now as soon as you will give this value, okay, so when you are incrementing it, so basically what we are doing is we are giving a edge triggering here, positive edge triggering. This value will be decrementing, because this instruction is itself a decrement instruction, right. So I am giving it 1 by 1. So here, if you are able to observe, this is decrementing, okay, 1 by 1. Okay, so in this way we are using both increment as well as decrement functions in TIA portal. Okay,